Legends of Learning presents the Circuit Construction Kit DC Virtual Lab Fit Simulation. This is a science fit simulation that makes learning about advanced simulations physical science fun and easy to understand. In the simulation, you will experiment with an electronics kit, build circuits with batteries, resistors, light bulbs, and switches, determine if everyday objects are conductors or insulators, and take measurements with a lifelike ammeter and voltmeter. View the circuit as a schematic diagram or switch to a lifelike view. You must use your mouse to select different settings on the simulation. You can drag and drop different items to help you build different circuits using different objects. Click the arrow scroll button to see all the different objects that you can use to build a circuit. Drag and drop the voltmeter and ammeters to further measure voltage and current in your circuit. You can change the settings on certain objects to increase voltage or resistance to see what impact that will have on the circuit. You can reset every simulation and try many different combinations to help you learn more about science. So are you ready to accept the challenge? Have fun playing!